Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set a time limit on Instagram. First of all, head on to Play Store to update your Instagram app. So start off by searching for Instagram. Once you get there, click on update and wait for it to update. Once the update is complete, go to the app. Once you go to your Instagram page, go to your profile. Once you get to your Instagram profile, click on the three buttons to your top right. Once you get here, click on time management. Once you click on time management, set the amount of time you want to spend on Instagram. You can either spend 15 minutes, 30, 45, an hour or 2. And then here in this video, I'm going to put 2 hours. And just like that, you have set your daily limit for Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.